But I really just like soft beds. That's my issue. Like, soft beds are not for me, bros. Like, I wish I liked them, but I really like a nice firm mattress. I need a firm pillow too, but it has to be really skinny. Because I sleep on my back, so if my head's like this, I'll be like, ugh. I'll be uncomfortable. I need to find a pillow that actually has like a hole in the middle, but like is like on the sides of my head, because my head tends to go like this when I'm sleeping. To either side, and I don't like having my neck constantly to one side. I just want to sleep straight. Do you like having a ton of pillows? Yes. Like a U-shaped pillow? Yeah. You mean a travel neck pillow? No, like one that's like for your bed, actually. Side sleeper gang, where are we at? I wish I could still sleep on my side. I prefer sleeping on my side, but I think I mentioned this. Sleeping on my side, for some reason, I hurt my arm. So, I don't know if you can hear this. Wait, I might have to mute the music. Give me one sec. You hear that little crack sound? That's my fucking arm. Whenever I roll my shoulder back, it doesn't matter what I'm doing. Yeah, I've definitely talked about this before, but that happened from sleeping on my side, and it won't go away, and my doctors are like, does it hurt? And I'm like, no, but I mean, after a while, yeah. And then they won't do anything. So, it's the sound of getting old. Shut up. I'm young and beautiful still. What are you talking about?